Hello and welcome everyone. So as we have promised earlier, আমি এটা নতুন ভিডিও সিরিজ স্টার্ট কৰিব লৈছো য'ত আমি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট MCQ ডিসকাস কৰিম ৰিলেটেড টু নৰ্থ ইষ্ট। যদি ইয়াত নৰ্থ ইষ্ট বুলি কোৱা হৈছে ইয়াৰ ম্যাক্সিমাম কোৱেশ্চন থাকিব ৰিলেটেড টু আসাম। সো হোৱাই দিস ভিডিও সিরিজ ইজ ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট এই কাৰণে যে আপোনালোকে যদি APSC প্ৰিলিমছৰ নতুন সিলেবাসটো চাইছে তাৰ GS পেপাৰ 1ত মেনশন কৰা আছে যে 30 to 35% কোৱেশ্চন should be compulsory for Assam. So that's why this video series will be important. So before we move further, I request you to please like, share and subscribe to our channel and give your valuable feedback in the comment section so that we can get better and make more awesome videos for you. So moving forward, we have the first question as who among the following is the author of the book Assamese, its formation and development? Options are Hem Borua, Dr. Banikanto Kakoti, Anandaram Borua or Dr. Maheshwar Neu. So the correct option will be B, Dr. Banikanto Kakoti. Then we have the last independent Ahom king was Chandrakanto Singha, Kamaleshwar Singha, Jogeshwar Singha or Purandar Singha. So the correct option is B, Purandar Singha. Then we have the Anglo-Assamese dictionary prepared by Miles Bronson contained 15,000 words, 20,000 words, 14,000 words or 10,000 words. So the correct option will be 14,000 words. So dictionary khonot kimanta word asil hetu important nohobo pare kintu eta point of view di ei question to important. Why? Because it was the first Anglo-Assamese dictionary and it was prepared by Miles Bronson. Then we have the Ahom Sahitya Sabha came to be known by its present name only after its registration on May 5th, 1924 at Jorhat. By what name was it known earlier? Options are Ahom Sahitya Santha, Assam Literary Society, Ahom Sahitya Sonnmiloni or Ahomia Sahitya Sonnmiloni. So the correct option will be C, Ahom Sahitya Sonnmiloni. So it was founded in 1917 and Padmanath Gohai Borua was the founding president of Ahom Sahitya Sabha. So next we have who among the following from Assam joined the famous Dandi March? Options are Liladhar Borua, Nobin Chandra Bordoloi, Torun Ram Phukon or Kulodhar Solia. So correct option is A, Liladhar Borua. Then we have the first Assamese film Joymoti was made in 1935, 1925, 1950 or 1930. So the correct option is 1935. So Joymoti was the first Assamese film made in 1935 by Rupkor Jyotiprasad Agarwala. So moving to the next question. The first Assamese who fought against British was Moniram Dewan, Gomdhar Kaur, Pioli Phukon or Kuhol Kaur. So the correct option is B, Gomdhar Kaur. Then we have Srimanto Shankardev was born in 1339, 1449, 1559 or 1669. So the correct answer is B, 1449. Then we have the last king of Chutiya Kingdom was Nitipal, Ratnapal, Birpal or Vishnupal. So the correct option is A, Nitipal. Then we have Bodon Borphukon was assassinated by Raghav, Madhav Tamuli, Rup Singh Subedar or Photai Deka. So the correct option is Rup Singh Subedar. So Bodon Borphukon was known for his betrayal. He betrayed the Ahom kingdom and invited the Burmese to invade Assam. So moving to the next question. Porag is a colorful festival celebrated by Karbis, Boros, Rabhas or Missings. So the correct answer is Missings. So Porag is basically a harvesting festival celebrated by Missing community. It is also known as Norohinha Bihu. Then we have the Ahoms entered the Brahmaputra Valley in 1220 AD, 1228 AD, 1225 AD or 1130 AD. So the correct answer is B, 1228 AD. Then we have the first capital of Ahom was Gasigao, Soraideo, Rangpur or Horugua. So the correct option is Soraideo. So Ahom king Saolong Sukapa established the Ahom capital at Soraideo in AD 1253. Then we have the first battle fought by the Ahoms against the Mughals was Horaigat Phoroli Itakuli or Jogikopa. So the correct option is B, Phoroli. Then we have the Tai Ahom name of Bamuni Konwar was Sudangfa, Subinfa, Sujangfa or Suhungmung. And the correct answer is Sudangfa. So he is also known as Bamuni Konwar because he brought up in a Brahmin family, and his reign marks with the entry of Hinduism in the Ahom dynasty. Then we have the name Guwahati has been derived from the fact that once the place was famous for its coconut groves, sugarcane field, tea garden or betelnut groves. So the correct answer is the betelnut groves. So moving to the next question. The tallest existing temple in Assam is Shiva Temple in Hibohagor, Umananda Temple at Guwahati, Hibo Temple at Dergaon or Kamakhya Temple at Hilghat. So the correct option is A, Hibo Temple at Shivsagar. So it is also known as Hibo Dol. It was built by Boroza Ambika, the wife of Ahom king Hibo Hingha. Then we have who built Thodor Ali, Godadhar Hingha, Rudra Hingha, Hibo Hingha or Purandar Hingha. So the correct answer is A, Godadhar Hingha. Then we have the first community radio in Assam was started by Guwahati University, Assam University, KKH State Open University or Dibrugarh University. So the correct option is Krishnakanta Hendik State Open University. It is known as Gyan Torongo. Then we have Assam Valley Literary Award is given by Ahom Sahitya Sabha, Sahitya Academy, Government of Assam or Magor Educational Trust. So the correct answer is D, Magor Educational Trust. So at this we come to the end of this video. Next video aru important question discuss korisam related to Assam. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe to our channel, and please give your valuable feedbacks. It will encourage us to make more videos. So see you in the next video. Thank you.